Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We're going to be making that incredible sausage, but the first thing we need to do is get our cream cheese smoked. So I'm out here a few days earlier. I'm smoking some other sausages for a different episode, and it sets my smoker at the exact right temperature I need to get that cream cheese smoked, 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see I got them here on a wire rack along with my sausages. They're going to smoke for about 90 minutes. Worry not, 170 isn't too high. That cream cheese is not going to melt and go through that wire rack. Perfect temperature for what I need. So, going to get that smoked. We'll see you in a few days when it's time to put together the rest of that incredible sandwich. See you then. Our smoked cream cheese is done. Now I'm going to take it back inside, let it come to room temperature, put it in a Ziploc bag, and chuck it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Oh yeah, smells delicious. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Let's get to making those masterpieces. What I have here is 6 gorgeous fresh Polish sausages made by our friends at Traub's Butcher Shop here in the Valley of the Sun. Boy, everything we get from them is fantastic. So right now, my Yoder YS 640S pellet grill is preheated to 170 degrees Fahrenheit with a mixture of apple and post oak pellets. Now 170 may seem low. No, it's not on purpose. What I want to do is get the inside of this sausage cooked without rendering that fat. Because if we do, then it's going to turn from fat to liquid. It's going to burst our sausage. We don't want that. We want an incredible juicy inside and a good crisp outside. You got to do that with a 2-cook process. So this is cook number 1. So these are going to go on for 90 minutes or until they reach an internal temperature of 165, which really takes about 90 minutes. So let's get them on. We'll be back in an hour and a half for the next step. See you then. Our sausages have been in the smoker at 170 degrees for 90 minutes. Now we pull them out. You can see none of them are split, exactly what we're looking for. Now we want to arrest that cooking process. So our sausages get a nice little ice bath. We're going to let them sit in the ice bath for about 15 minutes, then we'll be back for the next step. See you then. Our Polish sausages have been sitting in the ice bath for 15 minutes. Now it's time for the next step. We'll grab a couple paper towels, remove our sausages, and put them on a drying rack. Now this step can be done even the day before if you're in a hurry on sausage day. So drying those off with paper towels like that is going to help us get crispy skin when we cook them for the second cook. To help them even more, I've got some time to kill. So now these are going to go into the refrigerator. For me, about an hour. At least 30 minutes is what you want to do, but if you got more time, do it. It's just going to make things better in the end. So we'll see when it's time to get these out and start our second cook. Our sausages have been drying in the refrigerator for an hour. I've bumped up the temperature on my smoker to 225 degrees. So we're about to add these sausages, but need a little extra. So here I have 2 sweet onions that have been cut into little half moons. To that we're going to add an entire stick of butter, using the good stuff, the Kerrygold. This is New Mexico smoked Polish, but I'm using Irish butter and some Canadian whiskey. Crown Royal. Gonna pour some of this on here, probably about a half a cup. These are both going into the smoker. Those sausages need about 90 minutes, but every 30 minutes I'm gonna check those onions and give them a stir. So we're going to let those smoke away, but we got one more thing to do. Let's get back over to the table. Remember that cream cheese that we smoked way back at the beginning? Got that in here in a bowl, got it softened up at room temperature. With that, I'm gonna mix some garlic and the New Mexico portion, hatch green chilies. This heavenly mixture is gonna go onto our hoagie buns. Those hoagie buns will go in the oven on broil. Get this good and bubbly and a little toasted. So, we'll see you back when that's done, the sausages are done, the onions are done, and it's time to construct this masterpiece. See you then. All right, just got the sausages off the smoker. Now we take those, put them on our bun with that incredible cream cheese, hatch green chili, garlic mixture. Top that with some smoked whiskey onions. Smoked whiskey onions. Crown Royal, your favorite. She don't do Jim Beam, she's high class. And then we top that with some crispy jalapenos.
You expect me to fit that in my mouth?
Oh yeah, I do. It's time to find out, is this actually a masterpiece that I think it is?
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
You get the hatch green chili taste.
Good.
Smoke. The onions are excellent. I like it.
Okay, so it's a winner. This wiener's a winner.
Yeah.
Hey, fantastic. So definitely give this a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and follow the seas.